Yo, what's up, legends? First of all, thank you so much. Seriously, I don't think a simple thank you is enough. Hitting 2K would have been impossible without you guys. Every like, comment, share, and sub means a lot. So I was like, 2K is over. I just said thank you. Should I run away? Nah. That's why I've brought you guys a free 2K editing pack. Inside you'll get Shakes CCS effects, my project files overlays, PNGs, and a few more goodies. But before you jump in, listen for 10 seconds. The download link in the description is super easy to use. Just avoid the random redirect pages and keep going until you reach the final download link. If you're confused, don't worry. I already made a tutorial showing exactly how to download it. Even your sleepy 3 a.m. brain can do it. Now before downloading, watch the preview first. You should at least know what you're stealing from me. I mean, downloading legally. And yeah, the whole pack is 100% free. But if you enjoy my edits, like this channel, and want to support me a little, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Relax, I'm not asking for your family's property papers. Most of you already know I'm just a student trying to balance studies and editing. So if you want to support me, you can send 9 rupees, 19 rupees, or 39 rupees. And here's the fun part. If you send the payment and DM me the screenshot on Instagram, I'll send you some exclusive editing stuff that isn't in this pack. Here's the menu. 9 rupees, small but worth it. 19 rupees, medium bundle with some cold edits. 39 rupees. Bro, that's where the real secret sauce is. No pressure at all. Seriously, download the free pack and enjoy it. Supporting is completely optional. One more thing. Please tag me whenever you make an edit using this pack. I genuinely want to see what crazy masterpieces you guys create. It honestly makes my day. Once again, thank you for 2K. Thank you for believing in me. Love all, and let's keep growing together. Now go download the pack and stop staring at me. Thanks for watching. Peace.